Tahmina Akhtar is a self-taught artist. Other artists on Instagram inspired May to go beyond typical black liner. Her looks are mesmerizing and intricate. She can draw on a perfect circle or flower in one go. May uses a variety of eyeliners, shadows, and brushes for her designs. For this look, she used a water-activated liner and brush from Glisten Cosmetics. To use water-activated liners, add a small amount of water to the brush and swirl it into the pigment. The brush glides across the face like butter. To clean up the lines, May wraps a makeup wipe around her brush. She says choosing the correct brushes makes the process easier. She prefers fine line brushes to create thin lines. She places her pinky finger on her face to keep her hand steady. She also moves her head along the brush to make a clean, perfect line easier. May often uses two brushes at once to create split liner looks. She uses one wide, flat brush and adds two colors to it. May also uses a typical felt tip black liner in unique ways. May uses her face as canvas for her graphic liner looks as well. She uses the back of handles to stamp on circles. To create splatters, she uses a fan brush to flick on pigment.